All right, this video is how to use the real-time page in Analytics. So I'm assuming that you know how to get to your dashboard. What you're going to do is go down to Analytics. You're going to click on it and open it up. And we're still trying to work the bugs out of this. There we go. All right, so as you can see, they've changed the Analytics page a little bit. Now, if you move over to the left, you're going to see this real time. And it's live updating. So if you go down here and you click on this, it's going to give you this page. And this is where it gets interesting. So this tells you how many views you've had in the last 48 hours and how many in the last 60 minutes. But what's cool is this here. If you put your cursor over one of your videos, it's going to give you this little bit of information. This little box pops up. And if you want to check the analytics on the specific video, you just click here. And what it does is it gives you an overview. It's got your reach, engagement, and revenue. But this overview shows you how many views, time watched, subscribers, and your estimated revenue from whatever the time period is. So that's very interesting, and you can get a good idea of what this video is doing. Now let's go back to Analytics by pressing on that arrow. And then let's look at this one, how to remove and repair and install a flat roof. So let's look at the analytics on this. So here it is. We got 28,000 views, 3.9K. I gained 86 subscribers from this. And in this last 28 days, I made almost 200 bucks off that video. So it gives you a good idea of what's happening with that video. So you know that's a good video. So let's pop it back. And then let's go to one that has, let's look at this one here. This is how to install Glacier Bay kitchen faucet. And I'm going to go ahead and click here, look at the analytics on it. And this one I made $157, 35 subscribers from it, time watched, and views. So you can get a good feel for it. The amount of money you make really has to do with the audience or the person that's watching this. Some people just let the ads play through, some don't. On these how-to plumbing videos, they seem to do really well. And also, as you saw on the roof video that I did. So most of my videos are how-to videos. I do have, this is an old video, it's been on there for a long time, but it consistently performs every month. And not a lot of money, but every month, bam, I'm making money off of it. So that's a good one. Plus I got 11 subscribers from it. And let's back up. Let's look at one more. Let's look at this one here. Now this is how to change the batteries. Whoops. All right, there it is. I got 5.6, 131, 7, and 50 bucks. So that is a good indication of how you're doing on all of these little videos. It gives you an idea of, some videos you're getting a lot of views, but you don't make any money on them. Some of them you don't get as many views, like this one here. I only got 278 views in the last 2 days, but I'm doing really well on it. And that's how you use it. If you want to close it out, you just slide over here, click on this button. It takes you right back to the page that you were on, which is the regular analytics, and you can get back to your dashboard by clicking to that. All right, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to use YouTube Studio. Peace out.